Hey guys, how's it going? So I finally got around to doing my tags today, so I'm going to show you what you get. This is all the little pieces that you get and all the different things that it goes to. The little tag, the big tag with the washer, the XO. And so now I'm going to paint them, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to take a baby wipe. You could take a damp paper towel if you want to. And I'm doing gray because I wanted it to be a little bit different, but you could do the gray for the washer instead, and you could do the white for the tag. You could do whatever you want to. This is all up to you guys. You do not have to use the same colors that I do for this. It's all up to you. So I'm just taking my baby wipe, dipping it into my gray. I have these little paint tray things, but you guys will see when you get your boxes, if you order a box from me, that you will get a little condiment container, and that'll be perfect. So I got my big tag done, and now I'm going to my little tag, and I'm going to use white, and I'm going to use a little makeup sponge. You guys will get little heart-shaped makeup sponges if you order a box, but you can use a makeup sponge or whatever you want to take and dip into your chalk paint and paint up that small tag. So I am making sure that it is fully covered and good to go. I'm a little bit of a perfectionist when it comes to this. Now I'm going to go and I'm cleaning up with baby wipes. Baby wipes are great for everything. So I'm going to take my red chalk paint, and I am going to just do my love, my heart, my X, and my O. And I'm using another makeup sponge for that. So I've got my love done. Now I've got my heart done. That was so funny. I tipped it over on the table. It was just so crazy. I ended up taking a magic eraser and totally cleaning up my table when I was done. So now I'm going to, all I have left is to do my XO. And while that I was doing this, I was also cutting things out. So that's why I am doing a voiceover, because when the Glowforge is cutting things out, it kind of sounds like a plane taking off. So I'm almost done with my XO in the red. And like I said, you can do any color you want, any combo you want. It's all up to you, but you will get dark gray, white, and red for your paints in your kit if you decide to get a kit. Now I'm going to take white and do the washer, and then I was thinking about it, and I'm like, oh, I really should have done gray for the washer and white for the tag, like I was saying. So I'm taking E6000, but you guys will get a little tube of super glue, and it really doesn't take a lot. I'm using way too much here. I just needed a couple dots on each side. The super glue that you get, you'll probably have leftovers because you really don't need that much. So now I'm just kind of taking a little bit and putting it on every letter and adding that to my little tag. I'm taking my heart, doing the same thing. My E6000 glue was like just coming all out. It was crazy. So now I'm going to take the ribbon, and I'm going to just tie a little thing at the top, and I'm going to do a dovetail cut. So you fold it in half inside and you cut it outward, and then you get that little cute dovetail. So now I'm going to take the mesh that comes in the kit, and I'm going to just tie a knot. I wrapped it around, I tied a knot. It's got these little white little foam things. They're kind of cute. I thought it was really great mesh. So now I'm going to glue my XO on this big tag. And I'm just, of course, now I'm doing it where I'm putting it just at the top and just at the bottom, and just on all four corners of the X and a little bit in the middle, so that it will stick and be good. So I'm almost done. Now I'm just going to take the jute, and I fold it in half, and then I put it through, and that way it will hang even on the wall, because I am going to be hanging mine on the wall. I'm not going to be hanging it on the door. And then here's a trick if you do want to put your tag on, your little tag on your big tag. I just threaded it through the back of the ribbon on the back of the tag, and then I tied it to the top. And that is all I did. I sped this up a little bit so it wouldn't take so long, but my project only took me about 10 minutes. I did have to let the paint dry, of course. So it took me about 10 minutes and it was all done. Thank you guys. Have a great day and I hope to see you soon. Bye.